Clause number 3.4. Commutability of a reference material. Commutability means that a reference material, for example, calibrator is a reference material, behaves in same way as other specified material. For example, patient samples across different testing methods. That means if you have a calibrator and you are using different testing methods for that particular test. For example, you are using ELISA, you are using some other technique, and there is another method, and you are using one calibrator and you want it to behave in same manner in all these three tests, just like your patient sample. For example, if your patient sample is positive, it should come positive in all these three different methods. Same way your calibrator should also behave in same way in all these three different methods and give you almost equivalent values. For example, a blood sugar calibrator should produce consistent result across different glucose testing machines to ensure reliability. So commutability is a property of reference material that indicates how well it can be used to compare the measurements made using different methods or instruments. In other words, if a reference material is commutable, it means that result obtained by measuring it using even with different methods or instrument should be consistent with each other. So that means if it is a commutable reference material, that means regardless of which testing method you will use, you will get the same result. For example, if a reference material is used to calibrate two different instruments, for example, and both instruments measure the same value for that reference material, then we can say the reference material is commutable. Uh, so let us more simplify this. A reference material, what we understand by reference material. Reference material is a material that is used to calibrate or standardize measuring instruments. Okay. What is commutability? Commutability means ability of a reference material to provide consistent result when measured using different methods or instrument. So commutability is an important property of reference material because it ensures that measurements made using different methods or instrument can be compared accurately. Then and then you can compare different methods or different instruments. Calibrator, what we call as calibrator is basically a reference material which used to calibrate or standardize the measuring instruments. Your routine samples, which are samples that are regularly analyzed in laboratory setting, that is from patients you get this sample. So this note suggests that commutability is often evaluated by comparing measurements of a calibrator, which is used for standardization, with measurement of routine samples. The second note implies that there are often multiple ways to measure a particular quantity. Comparing results from all available methods can provide you more comprehensive understanding of a commutability. So more and more you compare the results of your calibrator or reference material uh, by testing it on different methods, you will understand how commutable it is across those methods. Note 3. Fitness for purpose. The suitability of a product or service for its intended use. Now, this note emphasizes that closeness of agreement between measurement results should be evaluated based on how well it meets the specific need of the application. So, whatever measurements that you have, how close they are uh, to the known value, or what is their um, minimum difference that you get between those values. The note 4. Commutability statement is only valid for specific measurement procedures that were compared in a particular study. It doesn't guarantee commutability for other methods or instrument. For example, you have taken a reference material or calibrator and you have tested across ELISA as well as CLIA, and you get same value or very similar value with minimal difference, then you can say that your reference material or calibrator is commutable for both CLIA as well as that is chemiluminescence immunoassay as well as for ELISA. But if you're using some another method for it, for example, you are using some latex enhanced immunoturbidometry for the same parameter, uh, and you have not tested that calibrator for this, then that calibrator does not guarantee that you will get the same result which were obtained in ELISA or CLIA while you have performed that test. So calibrator commutability is only applicable to what methods you have used it to compare in a particular study. So I hope this is clear. Next, we will take competence.